Good morning to everyone. So today class we are going to take that problem which is related to the block diagram reduction technique. See, this is the problem number 1. It shows that R of S is the input signal and C of S is my output signal. In this block diagram, G1 is one of the block and H1 is one of the feedback path is coming from this one. Then H2 is coming from the same G1 block. Okay, so here we are going to reduction the blocks. Okay, so before going to the block reduction technique, we are having that 12 different rules which is related to the block diagram reduction. Okay, so this diagram which is related to the feedback path reduction. Okay, feedback path reduction. So how do we say this? It's a feedback path reduction means, see this here, it's a connection is there, so it's one of the feedback. Okay, just we are going to the solution. Take the first step. Okay, so take the first step in the solution part. You are going to separate this block into two different feedback path. Okay, how do we create it? Just a simple. So this is your first summer, this is your G1 block. Okay, G1 block. Then you are going to the feedback path in a H1. Okay, feedback path is H1. So it's just going to this. Okay, here your input is R of S. Okay, it's a negative feedback path, so negative sign is there. Okay, see this is, so it's a negative path. Okay, so this is the negative path. I am splitting this. Okay, this is one of the separation. Just I am splitting this. Okay, just I am splitting this. Then my next block is going to the second summer. Okay, so here also I am going to take this H1. So here H1 block is there, here H2. Okay, so here H2 block. Okay, then here your output signal is C of S. Your output signal is C of S. See this, what's your question? Block diagram reduction technique. Find C by R. Okay, find C by R. So here also you are using this negative feedback path. Your input signal is R of S. Okay, so in this side I am going to minimize this block first. Okay, we know the formula. What's your formula for this? So it's a negative feedback loop. Okay, so it's a third rule. Okay, it's a third rule. So this rule represents C of S by R of S, which is equal to G of S by 1 plus G of S into H of S. Okay, so this is the formula we are going to substitute here. Okay, so take the formula part. We are going to simplify this. How do we take this? Okay, so G1 of S by 1 plus G1 of S into H1 of S. Okay, this is that output path of C of S. Okay, then again we are going to take the feedback H2 block, which is going to the input. Okay, what is that input? Negative feedback is connected to that here. Here your input is R of S. Okay, this is the step 1. Okay, this is the step 1. This is the step 2. Okay, then we are going to take the same rule. Okay, same rule. It's also in a feedback path. Here also using that minus sign. So it's a positive feedback. It's using that negative feedback formula. We are using that negative feedback formula because here using this positive negative sign here. Okay, already we discussed in the rules. Okay, then how do we simplify this? Just a simple. Okay, take it as G1 of S divided by 1 plus G1 of S into H1 of S. divide by 1 plus this one. Okay, g1 of s divided by 1 plus g1 of s into h1 of s. Okay, into your feedback element is h2 of s. Okay, h2 of s. Then what is your c of s by r of s? Just calculate it. See here, I am taking that LCM. Okay, LCM in that denominator. Okay, see, this is my previous equation. So in this equation I am going to take that LCM. Okay, 1 plus g1 of s into h1 of s is going here. Okay, here g1 of s into h2 of s. Okay, that is the simplification of this. Okay, then I am going to take this c of s by r of s. C of s by r of s, which is equal to what? G1 of s divided by 1 plus G1 of s into H1 of s. So here I am taking that is in a reciprocal manner. Okay, 1 plus G1 of s into H1 of s divided by 1 plus G1 of s H1 of s plus G1 of s into H2 of s. Okay, just cancel these two terms, then we are collected as c of s by r of s, which is equal to what? G1 of s by 1 plus G1 of s H1 of s plus G1 of s into H2 of s. Okay, so this is the final equation in the block diagram reduction. Okay, see this. This is the equivalent block diagram of the answer. My input signal is R of s, output signal is C of s. Inside it I am taking as G1 of s divided by 1 plus G1 of s H1 of s plus G1 of s into H2 of s. Okay, this is my equivalent diagram of the block diagram reduction of this question. Okay, so in this part we are applying the simple one. What is this? First I am splitting this feedback path. Okay, then which feedback I am using? It's a negative feedback. You know the formula. What is this? G of s by 1 plus g of s into h of s. We are using the formula. Okay, then finally we are going to simplify this block diagram in the form of this g1 of s by 1 plus g1 of s h1 of s plus g1 of s h2 of s. Okay, so thank you for listening.